Welcome dear students to this course, Basic Computer Literacy and Numeracy. We are going to see computer basics. A computer, it is an electronic device that use to process data. It can convert data into information that is used for two people. Computer includes four distinct parts: hardware, software, data, and the user. You see, this is the user that are on the computer. Hardwares are here. Software is installed on the computer. Computer data is information that is required by the computer to be able to operate. It is used to run a program, to store information. Computer user, it is the person, as you have seen here, it is the person who is using the computer or who work on computer. A computer is made of central processing unit, monitor, keyboard, and mouses. Other piece of hardware are referred to as peripherals. Main part of computer are two: hardware and software. What is hardware? It is any part of computer that has a physical structure that has computer monitor or keyboard. It is best described as a device that is physically connected to a computer or something that can be physically touched. We have internal hardware and external hardware. Examples here, you can see CD-ROMs, hardware, monitor. Those are the internal hardware. External hardware, you can see mouse, keyboard, scanner, and printer. Software, it is any set of instructions that tell hardware what to do. It is a collection of instructions that enable user to interact with the computer or to have computer performance specific tasks. Example, internet browse, allow you to visit the page and operating the system that the browse is running on that software. Software, they are not visible parts, they are an invisible part that they can work on hardware devices. They are installed inside the computer. Those things you take, like if you want to install any operating system on your computer, if you want to install, for example, Adobe Reader, those are software. Computer types. We have many types of computer. There are personal computer, workstation computer, server computer, etc. Desktop computer, as you see, it looks like this one. You see, this is the monitor, this is the CPU, this is the keyboard, and this is the mouse. Laptop computer, as you see on this part, all accessories are combined. It is not like the desktop computer. You see, each part is separately. Workstation computer are similar to desktop computers, but they are more powerful and are usually connected to network. Another kind of computer is the server computer, which are specialized computer that store and deliver information to the other computer on a network. For example, I can tell an example of Moodle. If you are here, you are using Moodle platform, the server is installed somewhere. That information you are accessing them from the server. You do your exam, your quizzes, your what on Moodle, but no more information is on the server. That computer will store all information where you can go and open and access the information. It is the server through network. Generations of computer. There are 5 generations of computer. First generation was the vacuum tube. It was discovered in 1940 up to 1956. The second generation was transistors. Third generation, integrated circuits. The fourth generation, microprocessor. The fifth one, artificial intelligence, which was based on artificial intelligence are still developing. Through there are some applications such as voice recognition that are being used today. Each generation of computer, it has its own characteristics. Basic part of computer: desktop are computer case, monitor, keyboard, mouse, and power cords, as I have shown on the above. These items are things that notice right away when you look at desktop computer. Computer case, it is here. This one, it is the computer case. You see the monitor, those are monitors. 2 different types of monitor, LCD and that one. You see here we have this one which is black, and this which is different from this one. All those are types of monitor. Keyboard, we have this one. It is the hardware that you can use to type, to enter information in the computer. I can tell you that this keyboard is an input devices. It has function keys, enter keys, control keys, backboard keys, cache control pad, all those. Here we have function keys. This is numerical keys. This we are used to type. There are other keys, tab, insert, what. All those are the keys of desktop, of keyboard for desktop computer. Mouse, it is this one. It is also an input devices. There are 2 main types of mice: an optical mouse, electronic mouse, to detect movement and easily to clean. Mechanical mouse uses rolling. There are optical mouse and mechanical mouse. Optical mouse use the electronic eyes to detect movement and easier to clean. Mechanical mouse use rolling bar to detect movement. This is the front of the case for computer, back side of the case. One, we have PS2, Ethernet, audio, VGA, USB port. All those are on this side. You see, those are PS2 ports. This is VGA ports, USB ports, network ports. Peripheral, you can see there are many. Headsets, microphones, printer, scanner. And see, this is the touch phone or iPad. Inside the computer there are many different parts. There is memory, the CPU, RAM. This is the CPU is here, RAM is this one, RAM, power supply is this one, network card is here, then hard disk drive, this one where we insert CD. This is which gives the computer power supply, which gives the computer the power. RAM where it stores elazable information, and the CPU, which is the memory, which is the central processing unit of computer. It's where we insert CDs. As you can see on this part, this one we have control, CPU, automatic logic unit, and control unit. They are in CPU. Here we have input devices, they pass through CPU, and to the output devices, those are memories, RAM. You can see external memories, CDs. Those are external memories. This is memory, RAM, which is installed inside the computer. And two main parts of CPU: control unit and automatic logic unit. The control unit directs data flow through the CPU and to or from other devices. Automatic logic unit, the actual manipulation of data takes place into automatic logic unit. The automatic logic unit can perform arithmetic and logic operations. This one, control unit, it controls unit directly the flow of data through the CPU, while a logic unit, it manipulates, calculates arithmetic and logical unities. We have two types of memory, RAM and ROM. RAM, it is random access memory in full. It is placed in a computer. It is the one which is erasable. If we store an information on RAM, while the power goes off, it is erased. It keeps temporary information. While random access memory, it is non-volatile memory. It is permanently. If you store information, it cannot be erasable. While the power is off. The RAM, it is a volatile memory. It cannot keep information after power goes off. It's temporary storage devices. While ROM, it is permanent storage devices. The binary number we have, excuse me, those are roll of memories, RAM and ROM. Those were two kinds of memory. I told you that RAM, it is a volatile memory, while ROM, it is non-volatile memory. It keeps information always, even if after the power goes off for desktop computers or laptop computers. RAM, it is a erasable memory, while the power goes off, the information turns off directly. You miss the information. Binary numbers, we have, it is the numbers with a base 2, radix 2. Binary numbers, you see the number B, binary 2. Normally we have two symbols for binary numbers, 0 and 1. They use radix of 2. Now we have other decimal numbers. Decimal numbers have radix 10. We can take binary numbers and convert it into decimal number, or decimal number and convert it to binary numbers. For example, you can see here 118 in base 10. In binary numbers, we take that number and divide by 2 each process, by 2 until you reach 0. Then to get it binary number, you take from the side 110 at from the back 1110110 and put radix 2. Decimal to binary conversion. It is if you want to convert a decimal number to binary conversion or binary to decimal. And take binary number to decimal, you have to count from the back. You see here, you put radix 2. It's 2 times 2 0 at the top, do it like this one to expose